the front doors and the garage door is closed, so I had to come to the back. Ooh. Hey YT fam, it's your girl Nettie B. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. We got some carpet. Okay, these are the floors. Y'all see them? Y'all see them? I'm gonna take my shoes off so I don't mess up nothing. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back around because I just want to see if they put the cabinet, the pantry stuff in. No, the pantry isn't in here. So they still gotta come do that. We got some carpet. Ew. They should probably lock the back doors. Because people like me. Ooh, I hear somebody, y'all. Ooh. I'm gonna still go upstairs. Oh, well. Ooh, they did the stairs, too. They did the stairs. They did the stairs. My house is feeling like a home. Yes, so. Y'all, we got carpet. They outside coming to get the little porta potty thingies. Oh, we got carpet. Oh, we got carpet. That makes it feel so official. It's dark in here though. All the flooring is in. Sinks. They gotta finish that clearly. They ain't done. But I'm in here still snooping. Wish they had lights. No lights. Oh yeah. Carpet is done. Okay, they need to come on so I can move on in. Ooh, y'all. This is just a quick sneak peek. Because I was rolling through real quick. But we got some carpet. Ow. Yeah, these doors is locked, but your girl came through the back door. Let me get up out of here. Wait. No. Yeah, that's a closet. Yeah, they got the toilet. No sink for the half bath yet. But that's okay. They working clearly. Okay, let me go ahead and get up out of here. People for the blind should be coming soon. All right, y'all, that's our quick update. We got carpet. All right, for real, y'all ain't gonna see me until we close. Bye. Okay, guys, so we are close to closing. I closed on the 29th, supposed to. And today, which is, what's today? The 22nd, I am getting my home inspection done because I'm supposed to do my first walkthrough tomorrow. But my inspector is calling me and telling me how all this stuff is not hooked up. And she does not see how I'm supposed to close on the 29th unless they're about to be working through the holidays. So I am like in my car, zooming to see what she's talking about, y'all. I wasn't gonna come and show up, but now I'm just like, let me get over here so I can lay my eyes on what she is referring to. Isn't hooked up. Y'all, my anxiety is raising, like raising. So I'm gonna see if I can bring y'all with me. If not, I'm about to come back and talk about what she said. But you guys, I am so like, my camera cut off, but I'm anxious and I need to see what's going on. Like, I don't want no smoke. I don't need no problems. I need y'all to do my house, do it right, and on time, because my lease is up on the 31st. Come on, let's get it. So I'm about to see what she's talking about, you guys, and try and calm myself down. Okay, y'all. So I didn't record while I was talking to the inspectors, but my nerves is even worse. I'm not gonna tell you everything, but we got doors that don't fit because what's that? It's not latching at all. Don't even make no sense. Like, I just... Why? Really? Stuff in my attic going on. My hot water heater is not plugged up. Y'all. My ceiling is dirty. Mind y'all, my first walkthrough is tomorrow. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Laundry doors upstairs don't have no handles on them. Look at y'all. Not closing, not closing. None of my doors fit, y'all. I'm so irritated. I have a whole walkthrough. That worked. No shelves in my pantry. This stuff better be new. Y'all. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay. So basically, it wasn't like detrimental things, but it was things that are basically like, how are you going to be giving her, i.e. me, a walkthrough tomorrow if you don't even have one? My plumbing is not hooked up. Two, I didn't even have a sink in my half bathroom. Majority of the doors don't fit. Either they don't close or they don't close and stay closed. Let's see. It was a few stuff. It was a few things. And I'm gonna wait till I get her report back, and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all and go through the list so you guys know what to look for on certain things. Because certain things were not done, I have to have her come back out to do a re-inspection before I close. So I don't want to rush nothing, but I just want this stuff done. I just want it done. I don't want it rushed in half, but I want it done. So I'm gonna run down the list when she sends it to me, you guys, and just talk to y'all about what they found and what I should be articulating to them tomorrow. I'm sorry if I look a little mad, but it's just crazy. But that's just what it is. See y'all in a second. All right. So first I have a blue tape here on the outside. So first we have a blue tape here on the outside because there's paint problems up there that need to be corrected. All right, let's go inside. That's the smart home for you. Look like they ain't got. Oh, they didn't took everything off. They're supposed to come through this door. So first off, y'all, my door is black. I came the other day, y'all. It was chocolate brown. I don't know what possessed them to paint this, but they had to come back and repaint it black. And they still got to come back and clean that up. I'm going to start downstairs. have blue tape in here? They might have already came and took the blue tape, y'all. Because I did have some stuff in here. I don't want to give y'all a full tour. Because I wish y'all see it later. Okay, so. These cabinets got blue tape. Why do they have blue tape? I think they all need to be cleaned. And scratches and stuff like that need to be fixed. This needs to be fixed. There's a chip up here that needs to be corrected. Ooh, we got shelving. So all these cabinets need to be cleaned. That's the blue tape for that. And then over here on the balcony handle, the lock is kind of, it gets stuck. It's not smooth, so they need to come and fix that. So I think that's the main blue tape. We got blue tape over here. I forgot why this blue tape is here. But I forgot why. Something over here is wrong. I don't know, but we'll figure out later. Okay, let's just head upstairs because I think that's all down here and see what we got going on. I need to pick that trash up. And y'all, all the carpet is so dirty. I was so upset. Like, why is my carpet dirty already? And they're gonna have somebody come in and shampoo and everything, but I told them not to have them come until the day before my closing, which is they can come tomorrow. So yeah, they really just got a whole bunch of paint touch-ups to do. Yeah, they've been in here because it was blue tape all through here. So as y'all can see on the ground, this is my bedroom. A closet over there. Yeah, there used to be like a nail pop here. They didn't clear it out. They had to clean up all this. So that has blue tape. There is a stain there. I don't like that. We're gonna replace that. I don't know why this, y'all, somebody, I feel like this toilet is not, they were supposed to change this toilet out because somebody used it before I did. So I don't believe it's changed out, but yeah, they're supposed to do that. I did have blue tape in my shower because it was looking crazy up in there. They gotta come clean around the tub. So there's blue tape there. Blue tape there. Let's see. They gotta come clean up all of it here. I don't think the laundry room has any blue tape area. They fixed some things. This door is kind of chipped. I'm trying not to be picky, y'all, but they need to fix that. Amaya, go get me that blue tape on the ground over there in the room. Go on. Huh? It's sticky enough. Yeah, they didn't been through here, y'all. They didn't been through here because we have balls of blue tape. And they still ain't put my shower right up. He's talking about I'm going to do it before I leave yesterday. He ain't did nothing. So, and then y'all, these walls are supposed to really be gray. They are not gray. I'm talking about Sherwin-Williams was back ordered on the paint, so they just went with this color. But I really want my gray walls. So I might try to throw that in on closing that they go ahead and paint my whole house from the inside again once the color becomes available. So that's it really, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a whole house tour. Blue tape up there.
Mama?
I'll give y'all a whole house tour once I'm in here. So stay tuned because we about to close. We about to close. We about to close. Ew. My room really big, y'all. It's really big. All right, y'all. So that's the little update. We got blue tape. They're fixing things. And we're getting ready to move in 2 days. So I'll see y'all on the next closing / empty house tour video. Say bye, YT fam.
Bye.